In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand OneDrive storage. To start, you'll want to navigate your way to the Microsoft homepage. This is your launchpad for all things Microsoft, and it's here that you'll begin your journey toward extra storage. Once you've arrived, look for the Sign In option, which is your key to accessing an array of Microsoft services, including OneDrive. Go ahead and give that button a click. After doing so, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. It's crucial to input the correct email to avoid any login hiccups. Once you've entered your email, click Next to advance. Now, it's time to input your password. Remember, safeguarding your password is essential to maintaining your account's security, so keep it private. Hit Next after entering your password. As an additional security measure, Microsoft might ask if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal and secure device, clicking Yes can save you from the hassle of logging in repeatedly. It's about finding the sweet spot between convenience and security. Once you're logged in, you'll want to focus on expanding your OneDrive storage. Head over to the All Microsoft drop-down menu on the home page. This drop-down is your gateway to a world of Microsoft applications, including OneDrive. Click on OneDrive to continue forward. This might feel like a repetitive step, but it's necessary to ensure you're entering the correct space for addressing your storage needs. Now that you're on the OneDrive homepage, the next step is to search for the Buy Storage option. Microsoft provides a variety of plans tailored to different needs and budgets. Click on Buy Storage to see what's on offer. Browse through the options available, and when you find a plan that fits your needs, click on Buy Now. Here is where you'll decide precisely how much additional storage you're aiming for. OneDrive often provides plans that can significantly increase your storage through either a monthly or yearly subscription fee. As you move through this process, you might encounter a prompt offering to send you information, tips, and offers about Microsoft 365 along with other Microsoft products and services. It's entirely your choice whether you'd like to receive these. Selecting to opt in can keep you informed about special offers and updates. However, if you'd rather not receive additional emails, feel free to skip this step. To proceed with your purchase, you need to ensure that you have a payment method on file. Click on Add a new payment method, then click Next. Here, you'll enter your payment details. Rest assured, Microsoft ensures transaction security, so your financial information is safe. And just like that, once you've added your payment method and confirmed your purchase, you're all set. Your OneDrive storage will instantly expand to the plan you chose, giving you immediate access to more space. Remember, managing your digital storage is key to ensuring that your files and documents are easily accessible, secure, and well organized. Whether you use OneDrive for personal photos, important documents, or collaborative projects, sufficient storage is essential.